Welcome to Scrapping and Adventures Outdoors. We're out here again trying to find scrap for y'all. And we found a washing machine. Also, go check out our merchandise shop. It'll be linked in below in the description. Hey y'all, we're cutting this yard. And this is it on the side of the road. So, I'm gonna get it loaded up. And on to the next. Alright y'all, we got it loaded. Y'all, look what I just found. Brand new merchandise at the merchandise shop in our shop. The link will be in the description. This is one of the hats that's for the giveaway. We got 2 other hats that will be shown in this video, so look out for them. How to figure out. It says a USB. We'll see. Hey, hand me the clippers. Keep that bucket.
Oh, it's hot. It's a hot one today, guys.
Rest of it's trash. I'm gonna keep this bucket. On to the next. For y'all for a giveaway, I decided to put this one on. Alright y'all, we was driving by, found this bicycle right here. It's in a pile of trash, so I'm just in the strap. But sometimes I pick up bicycles as if it's in the power stuff. But also, look what we found. Another giveaway hat. So, if y'all notice, the design on this one's different, but y'all can get it in the other design too, like printed. But yeah. So, go and purchase your items from the merchandise shop, and each item that you buy, put your name in the giveaway. So, that's 2 hats so far for the giveaway. There will be a 3rd hat. We'll just have to find it. And on to the next. No U-turn? Oh yeah, that's good.
Good chair, guys.
No hat on this fine. No hat on this phone. But we did find a chair that's heavy. On to the next.
We found a high chair, guys.
Heavy. We're gonna put in the bed truck on this one. On to the next.
We got a broken washer. Definitely metal though. And a spring.
Hello, Lord.
Get the spring.
Oh, I'm grabbing it. On to the next. For that.
How bad dirty? Like, could it be cleaned?
Stained up. And I think it's broke.
The handle's on the side.
Yeah, you shouldn't do that. So I think it's broke.
Kind of supposed
You got
to.
this for scrap. And this for scrap. Y'all, we got some wood. We gotta move the scrapping tent tomorrow. Might film it, might not. It just depends on how stressful it is. Put that on.
Oh, you sit down.
Make sure we don't miss anything. I'll point it out in the video later if I miss something.
The rest looks like junk.
Do we want any of this?
The doors look broke on that. She's too big for that.
Huh?
She's too big for that.
Yeah. Alright, on to the next.
Getting the start of a good truckload.
Okay.
So guys, we found a washer. Now looks like we found another washer.
On to the next. Yeah, we found this on the side of the road. So we're gonna take it for a strap. We'll take the motor and the wire. On to the next. On to the next. Should be. Oh yeah, we found this on the side of the road. That's a nice chair. Keep it. I'm gonna put this chair up here. Keep the bag. I'll close it up later. On to the next. Alright y'all, we found this messed up chair. The strap, the bottom half is metal, which means scrap metal. Oh cow, we hit the jackpot. Found a chainsaw, we found an edger that goes on the weed eater. Hey, we found more. Come on. Give me my weed eater thing. I wonder if it runs. I got my shoe wet. See? Got my shoe wet. We can take this for scrap too. Whee! On to the next.
3 rugs.
I love the trim. We can use that in the house.
Get it?
Brand new trim. Yep. Looks nice.
Still take this too.
On to the next. Alright, y'all, this is the wood that we picked up off the side of the road. Nothing wrong with it. Still looks brand new. We're gonna keep it.
They look nice.
You got some TV. On to the next. Alright, y'all, we found this. Scrap metal. On to the next. And a fan.
I wonder if it works.
And doorknob. On to the next.
Through the streets, my buddies by my side. Metal pieces glisten in the morning light. They dry from old carts of ice, wherever we can find. Hustle to the scrapyard, leave the worries behind. Revving up the engine, steal the thrill, take flight. Scrap metal dreamers, racing through the day. From junkyard treasures to the bright highway, hit the gas, feel the rush. It's a wild embrace. In our scrap metal kingdom, we'll always find our place. Tires screeching loud as we race down the block. Each pound of scrap we gather like gold in a dock. Turning rust into riches, we'll never stop. Driving through the chaos, we're the cream of the crop. In this game of metal, we're the kings of the night.